Here's a fascinating integral that stretches all the way to infinity. Can an unbounded region have a finite area? The answer might surprise you. We're evaluating the definite integral of 4 over x squared plus 16, from 0 to infinity. The first step in simplifying this expression is to use the constant multiple rule. We can factor the 4 out of the integral. This gives us 4 times the integral of 1 over x squared plus 16. The structure of the remaining integrand is key. The expression inside our integral matches a standard integration formula. The integral of 1 over the quantity x squared plus a squared resolves to 1 over a times the arctangent of x over a. Returning to our problem, we must align our integral with this arctangent formula to proceed. By comparing our denominator, x squared plus 16, to the general form x squared plus a squared, we can identify the value of the constant a. Here, a squared is equal to 16, so the value of a is 4. Now we have a equals 4. We can apply the arctangent rule to solve the integral. Applying the formula, the integral becomes 4 times the quantity, 1/4 times the arctangent of x over 4, which must be evaluated from 0 to infinity. Before evaluating the limits, we can simplify this expression. Notice the 4 outside the brackets and the 1/4 inside. We can bring the outer constant inside, resulting in 4 over 4. Of course, 4 divided by 4 is simply 1. This simplifies the expression considerably, leaving only the arctangent term to be evaluated. Because the upper bound of our integral is infinity, we must evaluate it using a limit. We rewrite the expression as the limit as a variable b approaches infinity, with b replacing the upper bound. Now we apply the fundamental theorem of calculus. We evaluate the expression at the upper bound b and subtract its value at the lower bound, 0. This gives us the limit of the arctangent of b over 4 minus the arctangent of 0 over 4. Let's first simplify the second term. 0 divided by 4 is 0. The expression simplifies to the limit of arctangent of b over 4 minus arctangent of 0. The angle whose tangent is 0 itself. So arctangent of 0 is 0. Substituting this value, we are left with evaluating the limit of arctangent of b over 4. As b approaches infinity, the argument b over 4 also approaches infinity. We need to find the angle whose tangent approaches infinity. The arctangent function approaches pi over 2 as its input goes to infinity. Therefore, the limit evaluates to pi over 2. Finally, pi over 2 minus 0 gives us our final answer, pi over 2. Now, let's construct a graph to visualize what this numerical result represents. We will set up a standard two-dimensional coordinate plane. Here is the curve of our function. At x equals 0, it has its maximum value, and it asymptotically approaches the x-axis as x increases. The definite integral we calculated corresponds to the area of the region under this curve, bounded by the y-axis, the x-axis, and extending infinitely to the right. Although this region is unbounded, its total area converges to the finite value of pi over 2. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this problem, give it a like and subscribe for more. See you next time.